Buongiorno! Buongiorno, my loves. I'm back. It's been 2 months since my baby boy was born, and it's been a massive 2 months, I will be honest, but it's the most beautiful period of my life as well. But I'm so excited actually to be back here, to be able to dedicate half an hour and film this video. So yeah, welcome back, or welcome. If you're coming back actually to this channel, I love you, you're the best. And I've got news for you because the new hearts just arrived and you have your own there. So thank you guys, you are the best. If you're new on this channel and if you like this content that you're about to watch, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can watch all my videos and you can give me likes as well. It really makes my day and it really makes me so happy, and you're gonna have in exchange your own dedicated heart in my jar. So today I felt like it would be cool to talk about something about edgy styling, because this channel is more or less about that and about my job in Milan. If you're new, just think for that. For the old ones, you guys already know my intro, you remember it better than me. So today I really wanted to talk about some edgy DIY projects that you can implement in your personal style. And I retain myself as a very creative person. I really like doing things and I love wearing things that I made. I actually graduated as a fashion designer originally, so you know, I made a lot of clothes that I'm still wearing up to today. However, lately I feel like easier DIY projects are quicker and cooler, and I don't know, it's just less struggle. And I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite ever tips and tricks and, you know, just items that you can create and wear, and it's gonna look so cool. If you have an alternative style, edgy, grunge, anything like that, watch this video till the end. I hope that I'm going to inspire you and you can create your own DIY project at home. And so yes, that being said, let's just jump into this video. So the first ones are pins. Last video I said spills incorrectly, sorry guys. Pins, your own handmade pins. You can actually order these like small items online and the small tags and create your own. I think it really takes 5 minutes and you can wear it on your coat, on your hat, or whatever, even on your shirt. Like I can absolutely imagine putting my own like here or somewhere on my shirt. It looks so cool. It's just like a small touch, a small detail, and it makes the whole outfit a little bit more edgy, a little bit, you know, just more particular. And it's so hard to find them around, so you know, this is definitely something that I would add to my outfit. It's really low effort project. Second one, you already can watch the video about. It is my handmade jacket. Oh my god, I get stopped so many times, guys. You cannot imagine. Everybody is asking, like, hey, where did you get that jacket? And I'm like, I made it, you know, €0 project, or just like really low cost, and it's actually my favorite item in my closet. I got this jacket on Vinted. It is like an online marketplace for pre-loved items. It was like €5. It was brand new. Somebody just didn't like it, so I got that. And then I got this like fabric paint, and actually my husband had it because he makes some like handmade projects as well sometimes. And I used it all. I used it all, guys, for this jacket. So I needed to buy another package, but it's so cool because you can just completely go crazy with like these like titles and, you know, like anything that you want, like phrases or anything that you like or symbols, you can paint on your own jacket and it's gonna look so cool. So cool. So if you like that, just watch this video. It's this, yeah. Watch this video because I explain everything and you can just watch it from the beginning to the end. So cool, I think. I really love that jacket and it's really worth your time to create one because it's so unique that nobody's gonna have the same. The third one is anything with studs and rivets. It's just the edgiest or most edgy, I don't even know, but the coolest accessory that you can add to your very basic items, like a very basic denim jacket. Add those rivets. Jeans, add those rivets. Anything, even the leather jacket, you can just add the rivets to it and it's just gonna go so alternative and so cool. You can get these like rivets online, or I remember when I was 14 and there was like obviously no online opportunity, I remember that I actually bought on the market the belts with the rivets on, and I just took them off and then just applied on my stuff. I even did some t-shirts with them, but it's just very tricky because, you know, the fabric is not really sustaining the heaviness of the rivets, so it's just another project. Don't do that on elastic items. Do that on artificial leather or denim, and it's gonna look so cool. And another plus idea, for example, that I've seen on my friend's jacket a long time ago, that they cut actually, like, just look at the band t-shirt, they cut out the band logo, they put on the back of the denim jacket, and without sewing it on, they just used like studs and rivets to fix it on the back, and it looked so originally cool. Another one, the fourth one, it is cutting a t-shirt, like, you know, the sleeves off. I think it's very like 2015 style, or just like, you know, that era. Even like 2013, I think we all had like, you know, those like bralettes and the very deep cut t-shirt, but it's actually such a simple way to make a t-shirt look so cool. So I think I would definitely recommend you, if you want to make your own DIY project and you're just like doing your first baby steps, try to cut some t-shirts. If I had a boring band t-shirt or anything that is like, I like it, but it's just like, you know, very, very boring, I would just cut the neckline here to V, and it would look so cool. And you can also cut the sleeves off if you want. Just make sure that it doesn't go too deep, because if you have your bra out, that's just not so stylish. I left the latest idea, I left it to be my favorite. I don't know, I really like all these projects actually. The very last one, if you have a kind of vintage style, you can create your own pussy bow. What is a pussy bow? It is like a bow here. If you have a shirt closed, everybody's always saying like, oh, don't open up your shirt, open up your shirt. This is the only time that I'm actually wearing my shirt opened up. I always like to have it closed because I think it just looks much edgier than having it open. Like this way I feel like I'm a mom and I'm a serious adult, and this way I feel like I'm alternative, don't speak to me, you know, kind of vibes. Anyway, so you have your shirt closed like this, and the pussy bow comes here, and it's giving it a very vintage, very, very cute touch. So you can all create your own. It's again really low cost project. I used a video that I'm gonna share on the description box, but you will see my pussy bows as well. I just created some of them, and I like changing them upon the color of my shirt and my whole outfit vibe. So that's something that really adds up to your outfit, really is edgy and really is stylish and also elegant. So you can add actually also to dresses as well, if they have like this closure. I'm just slow because I imagine like a nice white shirt with this black pussy bow and with a nice blazer over it, and I think it looks so cool. You can go to a dinner in it, and if you want to keep it a little bit easier and softer, you can wear that with a patterned shirt and with jeans maybe. Yeah, so it's got its, you know, like liberty to style it as you want. Okay, so this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. My baby is still not crying. We are on the right path, guys. I'm very, very happy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you get inspired. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out. And, you know, it just simply makes me so happy here. Yeah, like really joyful. So, yeah, do it. Thank you. Bye. See you in two weeks. Bye.